Hi guys, so now I'm going to show you the winter storm effect here in Connecticut. So you can see snow is everywhere it's looking white. From morning 7 a.m. it's snowing and now the time is 4 p.m. And you can see these birds are staying here under this. Birds are making their way through the snow and you can see there are so many birds lives in this kind of bush and they make their way through the thick snow. And as there are so many birds are living here, you can find so many holes over here. And you can imagine the snow is just next to my door, how much snow is there, and this is just next to my door. So there is heavy snow which has covered almost the full stairs and lot of things. And you can see even the cars are almost covered. So the weather prediction says that it's going to snow till tomorrow 8 p.m. and till now almost 1 feet of snow has been piled up. Now the time is around 4:30 p.m. here and within 1 hour again some more snow has been piled up and even lot more cars have been almost covered. And they have also started cleaning up the pathway so that it would be a little bit easy for walking. So you will see there is a small machine which will be busy in the cleaning up. So look there, so there is a small machine. So normally there will be big snow cleaning equipments are also available. So far they have started with this small pathways cleaning with this small one. But I'm sure if not today night, then tomorrow they are going to start cleaning up. And after some time again I'm going to record this situation just to know how it looked like. And time is around 5:15. They have cleaned up our next pathways and even the pathways to the garbage bin. So cleaning is still in progress. You can see how the pathways are a bit cleaned over here. But yeah, I'm sure it's going to cover very soon. Now we thought of cleaning our car. Time is around 6:30 p.m. and we went towards our car. So our legs are covered with snow. It is almost 11 knees and you can see the snows over our car. A big layers of snow is there, almost a feet, more than a feet height of snow is there. Just look how it looks like. So till now also it's snowing. It's very difficult. See, the cars are also covered. Night also they are doing cleaning because of heavy snowfall. Almost all the pathways are covered. You can see the amount of snows are getting thrown out. Everywhere, it's almost everything is same. It's a mountain. You can see the height of the snow. Just imagine between the cars and the front of cars. So these cars are completely covered. So in Hartford, they have recorded almost 20 inches of snow. This is the night situation. It's evening 7:30 and overnight it's going to snow. So tomorrow morning we'll see what's happening.